Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you how to implement a cut watermelon game in Scratch3. Now let's look at the Scratch editor. The background, I select the blue sky from the built-in library. You can choose the one you like. And there are two sprites. One is watermelon and the other is a batter. These two sprites are all selected from the built-in library. The watermelon is from the food category, watermelon. And the batter is from the sports category, batter. Okay. Now let's see the code for the watermelon. The watermelon will drop down from the top to the bottom in the game. So to implement this, we can first drag the main green flag clicked, and you can see this. We should add a for block, and inside the for block make the watermelon y coordinates -5 for each loop. So then you can see the watermelon. Okay, sorry. The watermelon we drag here, and the watermelon drop down from the top to the bottom. But when the watermelon reaches the bottom, it should disappear and appear on the top and drop down again. So we should add some code to make the watermelon position on the top when the game starts, or for each game loop. Okay, so we add this custom block. Go to top, custom block. Yes. In this custom block, it will position the watermelon to the point with the x coordinates is a random number picked from -200 to +200, and the y coordinates is a fixed number, for example 160. Then with this code here, the watermelon will first placed in a random point on the top and then drop down from the top to the bottom. Right. Okay. When the watermelon meets the ground, it should disappear and go back again. So we add another code. Okay, this one. Okay. This one. Okay. If the watermelon, you can see it. If the watermelon's y position is later smaller than the -180, the bottom of the y-axis, then go to top. The watermelon will be placed on the top again. So when you run this code, the watermelon will drop down from top to bottom, and when it reaches the background, it will go back to the top and drop down again. Okay. We also add a initialize custom block. We will see it later. Okay. Now we will see the code for the batter. The batter should move with the pointer, so we can use this code we have introduced in the previous video. When the green flag clicked, add a for loop. Inside the for loop, the batter should always go to the mouse pointer. Okay, go to mouse pointer. So when you run it, you can see the batter always go to the mouse pointer, move with the mouse pointer. Okay, okay. And let's go back to the watermelon. The watermelon now can drop down from top to the bottom and again and again, but how to detect whether the watermelon was cut or not? We should we use the mouse pointer to move the batter, and when the batter touches the watermelon will be cut. So that means when the mouse pointer touches the watermelon, the watermelon will be cut. Okay, so we should add another code block here. If touching mouse pointer, if the watermelon touching mouse pointer, then okay, if then is here, and the touching mouse pointer is in the sensing category. Touching mouse pointer, then next costume. The watermelon will show next costume. We can move them. Okay. We'll see that now. Next costume. The watermelon has 3 costumes. You can see 1, 2, 3. Okay. If the watermelon touches the mouse pointer, it will show the next costume. And start sound bite. Sound here. Start sound bite. And go to top. The go to top is the custom block. Okay, here. And the watermelon will go back to the top. Okay. Now we run the code. You can see now the watermelon can drop down from top to bottom, and the batter can touch the watermelon, and the watermelon will be cut to show different costumes. And we want to do better for this animation, so we want the batter to change his costume to make a cut animation. So we should broadcast a cut method. Okay, this is in the events. Broadcast. Okay, broadcast a method. Broadcast a cut method. You can change the method name. Okay, cut method to the batter, and the batter can receive the cut method. Okay, this is also in the events category. When receive cut. Okay, when the batter receive cut, it should change his costume. The batter has 4 costumes, 1, 2, 3, 4, to implement the animation. Okay, now we can run this again. You can see now the batter can cut the watermelon with different costumes, so this can add more animations. And we also define an initialized custom block. We also have a variable count. We want to display the count numbers that the batter cut watermelon, so we use this variable count. In the initialized custom block, it will first set the count number to 0 and switch costume to watermelon A. That means when the watermelon is placed on the top, it should show the first costume of the watermelon. Okay. And then we add this initialize to here. And now we run it. The count number do not change. Not at all. We can add a change count by 1 when the batter cuts the watermelon. Okay. Now run again. Okay. Now the cut watermelon game is implemented already. So this is all for this video, and you are welcome to my video. Thank you very much.